Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can add a friend on a video call with your friend on Discord Mobile. So as you can see, you can just add a friend on a video call on Discord Mobile. However, there's a workaround towards that. It's just just need to Google Chrome and log in your Discord account on discord.com. So make sure to turn this on when you are on the Discord. Set it to desktop site. So in that way, you can just call it your friend and add another one, because it's only available on a desktop version of Discord. So when you are on the Discord website, just call one of your friend, just like this. So when on the call, just allowed it, and then to add your another friend, just click on this button on the top, then add your friend in here. Just by clicking in this one, then creating a group message. So in that way, you will have an option to video call with your another friend. So this will be a video call group or a group video call. Then if you zoom out in here, yeah, in that way you can see it's a three-man now, three-man video call. Yeah, and that's the workaround you can do in order to make a video call with more than two persons in Discord mobile. And that's it. Thank you for watching the video.